Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an irresistible recipe that will leave you craving for more. We will be preparing a mouth-watering and healthy 1 kilogram mutton biryani. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. To begin with, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need for this delicious mutton biryani. For this recipe, you will need 1 kilogram mutton, 1 kilogram basmati rice, 200 milliliters vegetable oil, 5 chopped onions, 5 to 6 chopped tomatoes, 12 to 13 cloves, 3 cinnamon sticks, 12 to 13 cardamoms, 4 teaspoons chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 4 lemons, 200 milliliters curd, 5 to 7 green chilies, 4 to 5 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, salt as per taste, a few chopped coriander leaves. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's get cooking. First, heat approximately 200 grams of vegetable oil in a pot. While the oil is heating up, let's prepare the ingredients. Chop 5 large onions, 5 to 6 local tomatoes, 8 to 9 cloves, 3 cinnamon sticks, and 15 to 17 cardamom pods. Once the oil is hot, fry the cloves, cinnamon, and cardamom. Then add the chopped onions and stir until they turn golden brown. Don't forget to add salt as per taste. Next, add the chopped tomatoes and give it a stir. Close the lid to let them soften and cook completely. Now, it's time to add the star of the dish, 1 kilogram of mutton. Stir it to mix well with the other ingredients. Also, add 4 to 5 teaspoons of homemade ginger garlic paste and keep stirring to prevent burning. Close the lid and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Stir well to check if the masala and mutton is softened and cooked properly. Add 5 to 7 green chilies and stir them well. Make sure the chilies doesn't break, else the masala will turn too spicy. After 5 to 8 minutes, add some chopped coriander and mint leaves. It's time to add the chili powder too. We recommend adding 4 teaspoons, but feel free to adjust according to your taste preference. Close the pot lid and let the mutton cook for 10 minutes on high heat. Squeeze 4 lemon juice and add to the mutton masala mixture and stir. It will cut down the extra spice and soften the mutton. While the mutton and masala continue cooking, let's move on to the rice preparation. Boil water with sea salt and a little oil to prevent sticking. Check whether the mutton and masala are cooked well. Make sure all the excess mutton water is boiled out while cooking to enhance the biryani's flavor. Add 200 milliliters of beaten curd to the mutton pot and mix it well. Adding beaten curd will fasten the mutton cooking time. Strain the cooked basmati rice into a separate pot and add the half-cooked rice to the mutton masala. To add a touch of vibrancy, you can add some food color and a splash of milk to the pot. It will make the biryani visually appealing. Close the pot lid and reduce the heat. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. For that final touch, heat an iron tawa and place the biryani pot on top. Cook it for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure while mixing the masala with rice do not break the rice. And voila! Your delicious mutton biryani is now ready to be served.
Good flavor.
Infinity for hotel? No. Infinity Star Hotel.
Thank
Thank you, Ira. Thank you so much.
Mama has to open hotel. Open hotel.
Restaurant.
And tell you.
Thank you, Ira.
You earn millions of dollars a day.
Really? Okay.